So your sponges are compact. They come in a packet. You just drop them in and see how they magic. Okay, everybody, so make sure your client has a nice warm blanket, the R2D2 blanket. You know, look at them, Star Wars blanket. But you keep them nice and warm. Make sure you turn your table warmer on. Let's look at our table warmer. See right here, it's already on. And you also have a heater in the room just in case. So here we are with the steamer. We have our client. She turned over, and we're gonna put the face into the steamer and see how she has it right close to the bowl or the actual protectant shield. You don't have to put your face all the way in there because the steam is going to go around your face and it's pretty hot. And we just check in with your client and ask them, is it too hot, is it too, you know, lukewarm, whatever it is. And if it is, you just ask them to put their face in further. But she seems like she knows what she's doing, which, you know, she's professional. She's done this before. But some of your clients, they're not going to know what to do. They're going to put their whole face on the lid or the protective rim and burn their face. I'm like, oh my God, it hurt. I'm like, that's what happens when you touch hot stuff. Grab your bottle, put the cap back on. And if it isn't clogged up, then you would just add straight to the face. But see, mine's clogged up just a little bit, but see, it's still coming out. Cheek area. Normally just 3 drops will do it. Chin. Other cheek. And that's it in my hand. So now I have a good lather. If you have too much on the back side of your hands, just press on the table. So you can dry your hands on the table. And all you're doing is basically working the chemical, the soap, Castile soap, into the client's skin. Now my client has a bun in her hair, so her hair is tied all the way to the back and wrapped into a bun, correct? So that means you don't need a hair tie or a hair wrap if you don't want to. So some clients, they'll come in, they already have their hair in a position to where you can automatically just work on their skin, and it's great. Those are the best clients ever. So now that you have soap, switch hands. Forehead again. In between the eyebrows, the glabella area. Alright, so after we do cleansing with the face, we worked with the brushes, we worked with the ultrasonic and all that other good stuff. If you have a ultra clear or ultrasonic skin scrubber brush, whatever, it's not that you spent all your money on that and it's a waste of time. It's just, you can use it. It's just not going to do anything wonderful or fancy, take away all the dead skin, get rid of wrinkles and fine lines and all that other good stuff. But it does work. You just have to bear with it and do what you have to do with it. Grab a little bit of it, put it right on the face in different areas. You only need a little bit. That's all you need. Even though we had a whole bunch left over, just put it up. Now remember, the honey and the sugar is very, very sticky, but I only really scrub the parts or places on the face that need it the most, like open pore areas like the nose. So you really, really scrub on in there, get those open pores. Now, little sugar pieces will drop to the side, but don't worry about that. You're going to clean up in a minute. So that's why your brush does all the work for you. And remember, it's going to fly. It's okay. So sorry, I did. Like everywhere. Next scrub that you can also do is the gel sugar scrub. Take a little small cup or wherever you're going to put your scrub at. Just take a little bit of the gel out. You only need a little bit. See this glob on my hand? That's all you need. Put it right on in there. So then the sugar, take the sugar, put a little bit, just a little bit this time because I over saturated last time. And that's it. Just a little bit, tiny bit. Just like that. Mix it in. And this one's a little bit more gentler. The honey is going to be sticky, and when you go across somebody's face, it's more of a friction type of scrub. And that's for somebody who has really oily skin. So there's no need for a clay mask if you don't want to. Somebody has oily skin, I'm going to use the honey because the honey will suck it out. It's oil loving, water loving, it's going to do its job. So this one is more for a more sensitive type of skin. As you can see, I'm gliding all the way across it, no problems, no friction. It's just easy to do. So that's why I would prefer this one more than others. So just assume that we did a third pass, but I really don't need to do a third pass because I'm looking at her skin, looking around it. Man, it's very nice. It's clean, it's smooth. That's just what I want. So then after that, we're going to apply this right here and this right here. These are both moisturizers, just different types. One is from a cannabis plant, CBD oil, and one is hemp based. So hemp, without all the psychoactive parts of a plant, is just a hemp form. Look how magnificent and glowing her skin is. Gorgeous. You can do all the cleansing, add the mask, all the good stuff after you take off the mask, before you put on the moisturizer, or during the moisturizer. You can actually give them a nice facial massage. You can really work those muscles around the eyes. You can pinch those eyelids, bring them up. Out the eyelid. Circles around the temple area. Around the zygomatic bones, release some sort of tension if that client has it, or sinus tension around the nose. And then down the cheeks. But like I said, it's going to be another video, because it's going to take a while to learn those steps. But as far as a basic facial, this is what I do, and this is what you can do.